Hello, and welcome to Companio's knowledge base. In this video, we will show you how to increase the share capital of your company. Number 1. Log into the e-business register. Go to the My Undertakings section and click on your company's name. In the main information section, click on the Change the Data button. In step number 5, Capital, click on the Change button. Enter the new total amount and then select the option that best suits your company and then click Save. Next, to modify the contribution of each member, click the Change button. Once you have changed the amount, update the address and click Save. Now each member's contribution corresponds to the share capital total. Next, modify the Articles of Association. Go to Step 6, Articles of Association, and click on Change. Confirm that all data is correct and the amount you selected is correct. In 3.4, confirm all information is correct and click Save. Under 3.5, again, select all correct information and click Save. Select the date of approval and then check the Articles of Association. Next is Step 7, the documents. You need to add in the resolution of the body, as well as the bank notice, which is the confirmation of funds transfer. Once everything is correctly added, you can move on to the next step, which is the confirmation of application. Next, you need to sign the application. You can do it in step 8 under the confirmation of application. Once everything is correctly added, you can move on to the next step, which is confirmation of the application. Once the application has been signed and confirmed, you can then proceed to the payment of the state fee. After the state fee has been paid, You can then click on number 10, Submission of Application. The application for increasing your share capital has been submitted. Now you just have to wait for the e-business registry to come up with the resolution about the application. If everything is correct and in order, and all the data has been submitted, the application will be approved within a couple of days maximum. Thank you.